Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's another day. Good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you're watching me from. Uh, Hello. Now the sun is rising. The sun is rising. You can see the sun. This morning is too heavy, so I think by the afternoon it's more heavier. Yeah, I have this tree at the back of my house, but if you can see, it is getting to the roof. So I need to uproot it. It's getting to the roof. So I need to uproot it. Yeah. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. If you're new, kindly subscribe to my channel. I have special offer, special vlog for you. If you're new, kindly subscribe. Yeah. Today, okay. So I'm going to town. Yesterday it rained. It rained in my area. See, the road has spoiled. See, the road, the road, the road is not good. The rain spoiled the road. Last time I made a video that we fill the road and compact the road, but now after the compact and everything, the road spoiled everything. But I think you can see. But I think we didn't compact it well. You can see how the rain has spoiled the thing. So if a car is coming and car is not taking the car, two cars are stuck here and we're able to pull it. So the rain has spoiled my road. And if a car is not coming and car is not taking, the car stuck. Two cars are stuck and we pull it. And there's some more road, but that one too that's also spoiled. So when it's rainy season like this, my area road, it's not good, especially when you're using car. It's stuck, or unless you park the car top there and you walk to your house. When you want to bring the car, you can't come. Let me show you one thing here. Think you can see. Here. Last time a car came and stuck here. We pulled the car. So I can see front and back of my road all are not good. Front and back of my road are not good. The front door where I show you first is no good. When the car comes, the car stuck. Here too is at the side of my house. And I also come, you can't come because here last time the car stuck. You can't come. The road is not good at all. When it started raining, you can't come. See, here I'm forcing to cross. Because skirt is not taking out fall. I want to go and buy something at the top there. So I'm doing small so that I can cross. Yes, I have to cross this one. The small one here. So I'm going. If care is not taking, I'll fall. If care is not taking, I'll fall. See, there's another one here. So with this rainy season, car cannot come. So any car that will come will stay there and the person will walk. Unless maybe the rain stop for 2 or 3 days, that one the car can come. But here, for instance, car cannot come. But where I show you earlier, car can come because when it stop raining for 2 or 3 days, the land dries small, so car can come. But here is there unless the rain stop or otherwise. Yes. You see, that's how my house road is. Both left and right. The rain spoil everything. That is it. And the sun, as I show you earlier, it will shine heavy because this morning the way it is too hot. So the afternoon time to be more heavier. So enjoy your day. I wanted bread. When I went to the shop, they said bread has finished. So unless I walk to the main road to go and buy bread, to go and buy the bread. Because here, where I went first, is near my house. So I thought I'll get the bread. But when I went, see the bread finished. So I'm going to the main road. The stores there to go and buy bread. Yes. I want to prepare tea this morning. I want to prepare tea this morning. So I'm going to buy bread. So this is the nature of my area road. Now the road has been tiled. So this is the nature of the road. First, it was not tiled. First, it wasn't tiled. But now they have tiled the road. Now the road has been tiled. Yes, if you can see, the road has been tiled now. First was not. Yeah. So that's the buildings. Yeah. Yeah. The bread. I've gotten some. So this is the bread. Yeah. This is the bread. I've gotten some. I went to the roadside and I got some. Yeah. I went to the roadside and got some of the bread. So there's the road here. Let me show you. There's a road here to my house, but they have planted maize, so the road has broke. If not that, I would have passed here to my house. But the road has blocked. They have planted maize. I have to use this road. I have to use this road. See, they have tied the road. I have to use this road. I have to use the road and go and curve my house. If not the maize, I would have passed here and go to my house. But when I pass inside and I spoil some of the maize, it's not good because it's someone's sweat, someone suffer, someone suffer to plant the maize, and also let's say to make the garden, make fence, everything. So when I use one day to spoil it there, it's not good. Instead of the main road to go to my house. Yeah. So this is the nature of my road now. Now the road is tied road. First it was rough road. If you check my previous video, I've made a video on it where they were construction data and everything. Now the road is tied. So they have finished almost 90% of the area. That's small place that they haven't finished, but majority of the road has been done. This is the nature of the road now. Here too leads to the main road. It leads to the main road. And here to the top. So there's a four giants or plus sign to my house. Plus sign to my house. Yeah. And there's a beautiful trees that gives fresh air in the environment. Beautiful trees give fresh air in the environment. We have mango and the other trees. I don't know the names of the trees, but they give fresh air for humanity, for human. Yeah. See, there are fresh all trees in the area. There are trees in the area. Trees in the area. And this is the earlier video I showed about the road. See, after the Kota, you get to the Fantai road. That's the rough road to my house. To my house. But here is better than the other one. But here, if care is not taken, you stuck. If you are coming and you didn't drive, you didn't be vigilant, you stuck. So let me show you. Here, the car will pass here. The two legs, one here, one here. So the driver will drive the side, come and pass it. And you mistakenly pass through this water, you stuck. So you pass here. The other leg also be here. And you move. When you're coming, you branch small. And the car legs will pass here. And the other one will pass it so that you dodge the water. Otherwise, when you pass, you stuck. That you dodge the water. And you pass here. When you pass here, the other leg will come and pass it. The other leg also come and pass. When you pass through this water, you stuck. So you pass here, and you can move from here, and you are good to go. And you said, oh, the water is too small, so you can pass, you stack. So what I show you, you can use go and come anytime. But if you use anything, you can stack. Here, in my kitchen, yeah, I'm boiling. If you can see, I'm boiling water or hot water. Yeah. I'm preparing it. So I have one egg, here. So I will use, and my bread. This is the bread. And here, let me show you something. The nature of mine. Here, the roof is leaking. So anytime it rains, the water drop small, small. So the roof is leaking. So the rain is rotting the plywood. I have to work on it. And here, I have this the Milo. This is the Milo, Choco Milo. This is the Milo I will use to prepare my tea this morning. What I will do is, these are my working dress. This is the polythene bag. So here, I will remove this one here. So this is the Milo. So I have already cut the distance, so I'll remove it and open like this. If you can see, guys, breakfast is ready. Here, this is my Milo. I'm telling you. And this is the bread. I fry some eggs. So this is the eggs. This is the eggs. Yes. Breakfast is ready. Guys, you are invited. Yeah. I'm just back. You see it? I'm stirring. Yes. Here is my bread. It's more. Cheers. Guys, can you subscribe to my channel?